Piurify is such a great company for hydrogen water. And now this is a whole 50-ounce hydrogen water. And I just made my first fresh batch from this. Now, I've actually tried some of the other purified products. I've got the little mini one, this one I travel with. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't heard about hydrogen water and checked out what the benefits are of it, oh my gosh, it's absolutely fantastic. And I love this 50-ounce one. It is absolutely, the water tastes so fresh and clean and absolutely delicious. And again, 50 ounces a day is fantastic. So let me just tell you how easy this is. I literally unboxed it. Once I pulled that out, you want to run this filter under the water for about 1 minute. And then you want to rinse the inside of this out as well. Now, once you've done that, you're going to put it on the self-clean first. That's going to go for 60 seconds. Boom, done, right? Then you're going to rinse this again. You're going to pour that water out. Don't drink the self-cleaning water. Pour that out, and then you're going to fill that to the max line again with some clean water, and then you're going to run it back through here, and this time you're going to run it on the magnetic function. This is going to keep the hydrogen fresher for longer in your water. So it creates a vortex and presses out all of the carbon dioxide, does all kinds of really cool stuff. And that runs for 10 minutes. Then you can either choose the level 1 or the level 2 to add hydrogen to your water. The level 1 is going to have a little bit lower level of hydrogen. The level 2 is going to have a higher level. Now the level 1 I think goes for 9 minutes or 8 minutes. The level 2 goes for 13. So I put it for 13, let it run, and boom, is ready to go. Now once I've got it like this, it's better if you can put it into a sealed jar and put it in the fridge or put it in a dark place. So don't let sunlight get to it. Keep it dark, or just, drink that water, get drinking all day long. So when I drink this water, I just personally feel so much more hydrated on a deeper level. And I feel like, hydration is really important. We are made of 70% water when we're born, and it decreases as we get older. But if most of our body is made of water, I think what we put in it is really important. So I love this. This is fantastic. This is just, it's such an easy machine to use. I find this super simple. So, and then again, they have the little ones that you can travel with as well. So thank you again, Piurify. I love my hydrogen water makers. Fabulous.